It's a really welcoming environment. Everybody here is so friendly, and I felt when I was coming here that I was really a part of the CARE family.
The goal of CARE is really just to improve the student experience. We really want to build community here in engineering. We want our students working together, learning together, and supporting each other.
It's completely staffed by undergraduate engineering students who understand the challenges and difficulty in being successful. They are students who want to share their experiences and the things that they have learned with other students to help them meet their fullest potential. They're genuinely interested in building confidence and supporting their peers as a community.
We're here to help. We're always here to help. It doesn't matter if you're the best student in the class and you're stuck on one homework problem or that you're struggling that you may not pass. I mean, every spectrum of student is always open to come and get help from us. We're also here to be sort of mentors. We can help you develop study habits and other things, not just homework.
Many students just use it as the space where they study. They just come here, they know they're going to be surrounded by other students who are getting their work done. And some come here because they have specific questions while they're working on homework and they like knowing that they've got tutors there at their fingertips.
It's helpful because it gives a different environment to ask questions and learn the things you need. And it really gives you the opportunity to work with other students that are going through the same problems that you had in the course. And I think that's really great for engineering students to have.
As a college, we have really seen a nice impact recently with just the number of students who are really excelling. And so I know that CARE is one of the programs that's contributing to the environment that's really positive and encouraging that peer-to-peer relationship. Our retention and our success is just improving all the time.